Wait, did the book just sneeze? What is happening? The words. They're lifting off the page and arranging themselves. Whoa! They're forming a secret message. It says, "Follow the glowing path." Oh my gosh! Look! A tiny creature just popped out of the book. Hey there, little guy. Are you real? It's nodding and pointing. Looks like it wants me to follow. A glowing path just appeared, leading out of my room. This is incredible. Should I follow the magic? Let me know in the comments what you think will happen next. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more adventures.